CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2014 Town & Country. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, audio, rear, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.